Hello folks, Dr. Taylor here, and welcome to NHE 532 Teaching Strategies. This is one of the 3 core courses in the master's level education track for healthcare. We are on the Getting Started page, and there is a Getting Started checklist, which I will scroll down. You will see watch the course navigation video, which you are listening to right now. Watch the syllabus video. Review syllabus and academic integrity policy. For both the syllabus and the policy, you will complete a quiz, and those quizzes are essentially an agreement that you read and understand the contents of the syllabus and the policy as per the college regulations. Confirm that your computer supports video conferencing and creating videos. You will be creating a video for a short intro, and of course for, and thereafter, toward the end of the course, for your final teaching lesson plan project. And then you will begin Module 1. So let's get started looking at the navigation bar, which you will be using as one of your tools for the course room over the next 7 weeks. The course usually opens up to the announcements page when you sign in. I am going to post a welcome announcement shortly, and that will open up as soon as you sign in. Of course, the Getting Started page, which we were just on. Back to the announcements, I usually post updates weekly as it deems necessary. Sometimes there may not be anything that I need to say, but there always invariably seems to be some type of update that I need to share. And I like to help you stay on track. The syllabus page, which you will be going into for your syllabus video, has all things syllabus. The quizzes are here, and of course this is the text. There is an instructor bio page, so if you want to know a little bit about me, I'll be sharing more in the intro discussion board blog. Feel free. And then, of course, our weekly modules. Now, our weekly modules are your nuts and bolts for the course. This is your toolbox. This is your workshop. You will be doing everything from this particular page. This will be your jump off. So let's get into the week 1 of Module 1. Or Module 1 of Week 1, I should say. Each module is set up essentially the same. This week is Pedagogical Practices for Effective Learning. You will see the topic listed for the week, what you could expect to cover. There will always be overview and weekly goals that will guide you to all the learning materials, the resources. Again, give you a good understanding and essentially a roadmap as to where you could expect to be guided throughout the module. The learning materials, I usually start with some type of introduction as to what you could expect the learning materials to be. And then there will be assigned readings, textbook readings. In this particular week, there's an extra chapter excerpt about how learning works. There will be articles, videos, anything that seems to work for this module to produce good outcomes for you. Now, what follows are discussion boards. There is an information video on how to create threads and embed a pick in a discussion board. It's a really informative video, especially if you haven't posted to discussion boards. I believe you will find helpful. It's only a few minutes, and I would urge you to take a few minutes and review. Of course, discussion boards always follow. This is the first week, so there's an intro discussion board prompt. In this prompt, there's also help videos to create discussion boards, how to upload a video, share a YouTube video. So these things are important for you to know now and, of course, later. There'll be several other discussion boards. As you move down, you'll find assignments for that particular module are created right inside the module, so you don't have to go navigate out any further. When you click on the assignment, it will open up right to the assignment drop box. So let's get back into the module. Because after the assignments, there may be other informative information listed, but how the module ends is a module completion checklist and wrap up, which if you review the checklist, and go through each one. You have completed Module 1 if you finished all the tasks in the table below. This is the checklist. As you check them off, you can feel comfortable moving to the next module, knowing that you have completed that particular week in the course. So lastly, let's move back up to the navigation bar and click on Discussions. In Discussions, there is an important discussion board, which is Ask Your Instructor. Now, this thread was created for you to be able to have a forum where you can ask me and even ask each other questions. I usually go into the course room daily, usually in the morning, several times during the day thereafter, but I'm always in there at least once a day. I look to see if there are any questions. So please, please, please post here, because questions that you have, your cohorts may also have the same questions. And please feel free to share with each other. If I didn't get into the course room yet and you can answer the question, go right ahead and answer. That is wonderful. We're all here to learn and share and work with each other. And of course, all the other discussion board blogs are listed here. So you can follow them in succession. You can get to the discussion boards from the actual modules, or you can get to the discussions if you just click the link. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the course room.